A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now we will start Surah number 16, Surah Al-Nahl, which is translated as bees. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Inevitable comes to pass the command of Allah. Seek you not then to hasten it. Glory to Him, and far He see above having the partners they ascribe unto Him. He does send down His angels with inspiration of His command to such of His servants as He pleases, saying, warn man that there is no God but I, so do your duty unto me. He has created the heavens and the earth for just ends. Far is He above having the partners they ascribe to Him. He has created man from a sperm drop, and behold, this same man becomes an open disputer. अल्लाह ताला ये कह रहा है कि भाई देखो तुम्हारी जो स्टार्ट है, इनिशिएशन है, वो कितनी हकीर चीज़ से हुआ है, कितनी एक तरह से मतलब कहने को गंदी सी, हकीर सी, छोटी सी चीज़ से हुआ है, और तुम ओपनली डिस्प्यूट करते हो. And cattle He has created for you men, from them you derive warmth and numerous benefits, and of their meat you eat, and you have a sense of pride and beauty in them, as you drive them home in the evening, and as you lead them forth to pasture in the morning. And they carry out heavy loads to lands that you could not otherwise reach except with souls distressed. For your Lord is indeed most kind, most merciful. He has created horses, mules and donkeys for you to ride and use for show, and He has created other things of which you have no knowledge. And unto Allah leads straight the way, but there are ways that turn aside. If Allah had willed, He could have guided all of you. It is He who sends down rain from the sky. From it you drink, and out of it grows the vegetation on which you feed your cattle. With it He produces for you corn, olives, date palms, grapes, and every kind of fruit. Surely in this is a sign for those who have thought. कि अल्लाह ताला बारिश करता है, उसके थ्रू वेजिटेशन बनाता है और मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की सब्ज़ियाँ बनाता है, डेट पाम्स, कॉर्न्स, ऑलिव्स, ग्रेप्स, और इसमें साइन है उन लोगों के लिए जो सोचते हैं, who give thought. He has made subject to you the night and the day, the sun and the moon, and the stars, and in subjection by His command. Surely in this are signs for men who are wise. May God make us from among the wise. And the things on this earth which He has multiplied in varying colors and qualities. Surely in this is a sign for men who celebrate the praises of Allah in gratitude. It is He who has made the sea subject, that you may eat thereof flesh that is fresh and tender, and that you may extract therefrom ornaments to wear, and you see the ships therein that plough the waves, that you may seek thus of the bounty of Allah, that you may be grateful. आप लोगों को इसकी पिछली सूरत जो हमने करी थी उससे थोड़ी थोड़ी कंट्रास्ट फील हो रही होगी कि उसमें भी बात आई थी कि अल्लाह ताला ने बहुत सी चीज़ों को सब्जेक्ट कर दिया है हमारे, यहाँ पे उससे सिमिलर चीज़ें रिपीट हो रही हैं. And He has set up on the earth mountains standing firm, lest it should shake with you, and rivers and roads that you may guide yourselves, and marks and signposts, and by the stars men guide themselves. Is then He who creates like one that creates not? Will you not receive admonition? If you would count up the favors of Allah, never would you be able to number them, for Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. इंसान अनग्रेटफुल है, ये पिछली सूरास में भी बात आई थी. And Allah does know what you conceal and what you reveal. Those whom they invoke besides Allah create nothing and are themselves created. हम अल्लाह ताला के अलावा जिनको पुकारते हैं वो तो ख़ुद क्रिएटेड हैं, उन्होंने तो कुछ बनाया ही नहीं है, और कुछ बनाना तो बहुत दूर की बात, वो तो ख़ुद किसी की पैदावार है, इंसानों की पैदावार है. They are things dead, lifeless, nor do they know when they will be raised up. Your God is one God. As to those who believe not in the hereafter, their hearts refuse to know, and they are arrogant. Undoubtedly, may Allah make us humble. Undoubtedly, Allah does know what they conceal and what they reveal. Surely He loves not the arrogant. When it is said to them, what is it that your Lord has revealed? They say tales of the ancients. देखें कंट्रास्ट देखें, आज के लोग भी ये बोलते हैं पुराने ज़माने की बातें, और ये लोगों की बात अल्लाह ताला कह रहा है कि जब उनसे पूछा जाता है अल्लाह ताला ने क्या रिवील किया, तो लोग कहते हैं, डिनाई करने वाले कहते हैं पुराने ज़माने की बातें, पुराने ज़माने की कहानियाँ. Let them bear on the day of judgment their own burdens in full, and also something of the burdens of those without knowledge, whom they misled. Alas, how grievous the burdens will they bear. Those before them did also plot against Allah's way, but Allah took their structures from their foundations, and the roofs fell down on them from above, and the wrath seized them from directions they did not perceive. Then on the day of judgment, He will cover them with shame and say, where are my partners concerning whom you used to dispute with the godly? Those endued with knowledge will say, this day indeed we are unbelievers covered. This day indeed, those endued with knowledge will say, this day indeed are the unbelievers covered with shame and misery. Namely, those whose lives the angels take in the state of wrongdoing to their own soul. Then would they offer submission with the pertinence, we did no evil knowingly. The angels will reply, no, but surely Allah knows all that you did. So enter the gates of hell. So enter the gates of hell to dwell therein. Thus evil indeed is the abode of the arrogant. To the righteous when it is said, what is it that your Lord has revealed? They say. पहले बात हुई थी कि जो अनबिलीवर्स उनसे पूछा था अल्लाह ताला ने क्या रिवील किया, तो वो कहते हैं पुराने ज़माने की कहानियाँ. और जो राइटियस लोग हैं जो अल्लाह ताला से डरते हैं उनसे पूछा जाता है तो वो कहते हैं ऑल दैट इज़ गुड, सब जो अच्छा है. टू दोज हु डू गुड देयर इज़ गुड इन दिस वर्ल्ड एंड होम ऑफ द हेयर आफ्टर इज़ इवन बेटर एंड एक्सीलेंट इंडीड इज़ द होम ऑफ द राइटियस. अल्लाह ताला ने वो देता है जो सब अच्छा है, और जो अच्छा करते हैं उनके लिए दुनिया तो अच्छी ही है और आखिरत तो बहुत अच्छी है, और असल घराना तो है ही आखिरत का. गार्डन्स ऑफ एटर्निटी which they will enter, beneath them flow pleasant rivers, they will have therein all that they wish. Thus does Allah reward the righteous, namely those whose lives the angels take in a state of purity. पीछे हुआ था जो सिन कर रहे थे, अब बात हो रही है जिनके अल्लाह ताला जिनके फरिश्ते रूहें ले रहे हैं, जो सिन कर रहे हैं, अब बात हो रही है जो प्योर हैं, जो शफाफ हैं. Saying to them, peace be unto you, enter you the gardens because of the good which you did in this world. May Allah make the angels take our souls when we are in a state of purity. Do the ungodly wait until the angels come to them, or there comes the command of your Lord for their doom? So did those who went before them, but Allah wronged them not. No, they wronged their own souls. But the evil results of their deeds overtook them, and that very wrath at which they had scoffed hemmed them in. The worshippers of false gods say, if Allah had so willed, we should not have worshipped any but Him. देखिए, शैतान ने कहा था कि अल्लाह तूने मुझे ऐसे कर दिया. आपको याद होगा, अब जो फॉल्स गॉड्स के वर्शिपर्स हैं वही कहेंगे अल्लाह चाहता तो हम ऐसे करते ही ना. Neither we nor our forefathers, ना हम ना हमारे forefathers, nor should we have prescribed prohibitions other than this. अब देखें शैतान ने जो कहा और जो लोग अनबिलीवर्स हैं वो कितना कॉमन बात कहते हैं. और अब मैं कहूँगा शैतान ने जो कहा वो हम मुसलमान भी कहते हैं, सो कॉल्ड मुसलमान. So did those who went before them. But what is the mission of messengers but to preach the clear message? For we assuredly sent among every people a messenger with the command, serve Allah and eschew evil. Of the people were some whom Allah guided, and some on whom error became inevitably established. So travel through the earth and see what was the end of those who denied the truth. If you be anxious for their guidance, yet Allah guides not such as He leaves to stray, and there is none to help them. They swear their strongest oaths by Allah. that Allah will not raise up those who die, but it is a promise binding on him in truth, but most among mankind realize it not. मैं अभी रिसेंटली एक लेक्चर देख रहा था जिसमें रिचर्ड डॉकिंस ने रिकी गारवेस है शायद बंदे का नाम, जिसने द ऑफिस लिखा था ब्रिटिश वाला, उसका इंटरव्यू ले रहा था। तो उन्होंने यही कहा भाई हम तो मर जाएंगे, फिर मतलब डेथ है उसके बाद ख़त्म है, बस डेथ से पहले ऐसे ही था जैसे पैदा होने से पहले ही था। अल्लाह ताला कह रहा है नो, दिस इज़ अ प्रॉमिस बाइंडिंग ऑन हिम इन ट्रूथ। अल्लाह ताला का वादा है कि अल्लाह ताला तुम्हें ज़िंदा करेगा, बट मोस्ट मैनकाइंड रियलाइज इट नॉट। दे मस्ट बी रेज्ड अप इन ऑर्डर दैट ही मे मैनिफेस्ट टू देम द ट्रूथ ऑफ दैट वेयर इन दे डिफर, and that the rejectors of truth may realize that they had indeed surrendered to falsehood. For to anything which we have willed, we but say the word be and it is. और अल्लाह ताला जो भी चाहता है, जिस चीज़ का इरादा करता है, वो कहता है हो जा, और वो हो जाती है। To those who leave their homes in the cause of Allah after suffering oppression, we will assuredly give a goodly home in this world, but truly the reward of the hereafter will be greater if they only realize this. They are those who persevere in patience and put their trust in their Lord. And before you also, the messengers we sent were but men to whom we granted inspiration. If you realize this not, ask of those who possess the message. We sent them with clear signs and scriptures, and we have sent down unto you also the message, that you may explain clearly to men what is sent for them, and that they may give thought. So then who devise evil plots feel secure that Allah will not cause the earth to swallow them up, or that the wrath will not seize them from directions they little perceive, or that he may not call them to account in the midst of their goings here and there without a chance of their frustrating him, or that he may not call them to account by a process of slow wastage, for your Lord is indeed full of kindness and mercy. ये चीज़ें भाई हम लोग डरे हैं, मुख्तलिफ़ तरीके से अल्लाह ताला का अज़ाब आ सकता है, अल्लाह ताला की पकड़ आ सकती है। और that he may not call them to account by a process of slow wastage, for your Lord is indeed full of kindness and mercy. Do they not look at Allah's creation, even among inanimate things, how their very shadows turn around from right and left, prostrating themselves to Allah, and that in the humblest manner. अल्लाह ताला सवाल कर रहा है, क्या ये देखते नहीं है कि जो इनएनिमेट थिंग्स हैं उनके भी जो शेडोज़ हैं वो अल्लाह ताला के सामने सजदे करते हैं। एंड टू अल्लाह डज obeisance all that is in the heavens and on earth, whether moving living creatures or the angels, for none are arrogant before their Lord. They all revere their Lord high above them, and they do all that they are commanded. यहाँ पे सूरह नहल की आयत नंबर 50 हो गई है। अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह आयत नंबर 51 से कंटिन्यू करेंगे। थैंक यू।